Hi, I'm Paul Durfee. I'm the marketing manager of the Berry Companies. So the Berry Companies are made up of a number of different companies in various sectors. Right now, our three major sectors of our company are hospitality, real estate development more specifically, and commercial and residential leasing. Hospitality, I think, is the major sector, the primary sector of our business and organization. We own a number of different resorts in the Mount Washington Valley. Some of our resorts include the Eastern Slope Inn Resort in North Conway Village. Another is Attitash Mountain Village Resort in Bartlett, as well as the Oxon Yoke Inn. Another major area is real estate development and real estate. We have developed a number of areas in the Mount Washington Valley for specific uses, mostly residential. We've developed much of the town of Bartlett for a number of different residential areas. Third major area is leasing, both for commercial properties and for residential. So a lot of the commercial property in North Conway Village is leased by the Berry Companies, and a lot of the residential apartments in the North Conway, Mount Washington Valley are leased by our company as well.